shongora ubwire bw'ekiro kino kind of bring the vibe, Christmas vibe abantu basekwana bajimanya. And we are also doing that. Tsakwa twine carols. Ebiro makumi abiri na should be on a Monday. Tsakwa twine carols ningashi Christmas carols live on TV West. Tsakwa tuli akaramushoko tu wakane ebiro waho. Tsakwa tuli award Acacia, and we want to thank the people that we are walking this journey with. Ningashi wa sponsors bitu habwentebe kanisa ejo kureka ngabantu basakubana baribo kweshongoro kutsakwa twine choirs sazune zumwe n'abantu mwe numweto kwija actually you could come and join us. Sasa bamumba ntobet partner linje nabo n'abanyoni bitu abanyonyozi, dry cleaners, general cleaners, kandi natayisa omwami Ernest nuwe yanyagita wakashekerizo kwasa kubantu ganira abikufoko sebo nakwachira n'umugamba ki
turije mazama barebe wa TV West mwena abayogwa heru twagaruka tukatwizire wa twagambire ngiri yanyonyozi
konkatenye mwashangire
tiwe twashangire so ndashimira kushanga sebo
bari mnonga anyonyozi ejo kwa champion ahabonche muzire muzahana nkeji ya Christmas carols nabakunda kweshongora
ureba ngo kuwagamba kuwabire no ukura ukukunda munongo kweshongora kuwabire wa Christmas tukata nyoni njuka ndukura mukade kutwaye twumara atwara umucyaro haza tubanza twayera twakirini ngomuka ebirabiri nabena abana bitanu ebirabiri nabinekero tuzacyaki turabo umutwe tororo umucyaro cyona tweshongora Christmas carols so nicyo cyatureta definitely season ikeji expecting abantu binshi kuruga heru kutaho mutawuni kuruga mutawuni bakuzombyaro so turashanga ekeri end of so nicyo cyatureta.
Okay, so mwe tugambire no ahabuhereza bwanyu numuhereza buherezaje.
So basically kuba bagambire mbanyita Kansime Ernest umukozi wa Nyonyozi Dry and General Cleaners. Then na Nyonyozi Travels. Twine ibintu biri bitukora. Twine kiyo cyo kubanza cya Nyonyozi Dry and General Cleaners. Mwintu rubanyango urufu mutawunu. Tudwasa kubantu cyara abamenye kuko embagamba. So mu Christmas age twine offers nyingi, twine discounts nyingi. Ntwereke tweta o cleaning. Oyinozo munju, nozo mcyaro, twende nju yawe gishangere clean. Tutandika kozi ya carpets zo kureba. Tuzogeza kimwe.
Ata carpets z'abantu bakucha kuzita umutima konka. Carpets kanizguba uzikawayo.
Hati tureka ngambere. Sikwendera kimwe ko carpets zendo itabanyonyoze. Tutandikira carpets. Tuzachikweta fumigation. Oyinekeje mu bukoko
obusuzi obode mutegarisa
serezo tukuzendera kimwe mu mawi ko watwara abantu mukanguhikayo barwara tukubendera kimwe ebiyeje tukwatagana nabi.
All right, so this is some of the kukumukwana mutwaza mu
oyine compound kusirashinga compound inkejo tukugireba mutukugikwatira mu kimwe amaju ngo kutwatagambira kwiringa ko yo noreba ha TV tugisimura tutandikira aderesa tuzaflo kandi tukoresa machines zo mutindo gwa higoro ngo ryo nozereba screen obumoro tutero mucucu so tukwendo hendeka koza hate bintu byo nabikaba modernized tukwendo shanga kandi kwasireki muri yo mukwate bisimura abanti kuma munju emerumo ninje
mukingana no n'amabati
amategurago tugogeza kimwe so abina amajagi n'amategura mutuhemerumo nicyo cyatureta ntugakuba kandi tukoza machines twachikoresa bine bayi bakoresa brush kare tukoresa machines zo mutindo gwa mani
abo kucyane ko gambecho nijuka ari umuntu kumuhereza ngo cleaning entebe zawe entebe zo kashanga wasitire makasente kinji kuko umuntu gisimura quality yakasigaye compromised.
So I will give you an example ngo kuwakireta twine challenge umuntu najya tinyowe let's say nakujya tinyowe nyine curtains inkezo curtains zanje bakazogeza bakazigoreza passage ya burijo konka hine passes specific as twine kanyonyeze ezibakwete za mizi nizo shime kwanza gore mintu keza curtains bed covers ibyo natogeza kimutukwenda ukasiga ibintu mu kabiri yo za case za bed covers yoko zatandika kumba ziturete hati
nubundi so zabrangite z'abantu batoza zone zimwe numuziza mu
ite tukwata mu brangite inkezo so abazine bona ntubeta Nyonyozi then twine kintu kiriyo nkibo abana bakahumwire hati so nubwire bo kufumigating amashomero
you also work with institutions?
Yes, institutions, hospitals. hospitals emifarasi ya hospitals to cleaning more hospitals from floors to beddings to equipments zone za marwaro zone zikora ho kimwe hati nkoko yo norebaho iri nishomero tukanturutereza agaga bahumura irimo bushuza abana bakabaretera ubushuzi tubakwenda bushanga next time ibyo tubikora ho kimwe later on bakoreka ka video yaho abine different institutions, churches, mosques, the zone is cleaning ya chimenyonyozi. So hotels we are partnering na Acacia Hotels, Acacia Hotels. Zones amashuka nisuga kwata mugonago.
Muze mutereza chimo.
Nabagareta tugagora tugutandika tugoze tugagora tugafolding. Bira byanyonyozi.
All right. Tell me a bit about dry cleaning.
So dry cleaning basically it's no kozia tuozia tukolesa machines to dry clean some machines dry cleaning using machines
tayo kugira ngo bitwara heru ejure bite
yeah definitely no bazote ko machine biomamu bicendeza amamizi nkirigira ikintu okukuba kiri fiber yacu no kusanga let's think a blanket era yomero machine directly nebaza yomero machine then tuteka heru yes
arokindi ikintu cy'ukira kureba abantu ushaka abahereza umurimo abahereza the time frame nyogo umurimo gwanjye nyina mu gukorere umbwiro of course abantu batakucha ku delivering how ni ababazizi so what about you guys
you feel there konka you want to confirm to you and assure you nyonyozi okututandikire no kutukora ntukora first twine kitweta different branches pick up points so abarushenyi twendoze kucerero muhando leta emyenda kandi tureho so emyenda yawe nogereta kare in advance abarushenyi nayo bakugidropping omutawo no murimba we have different pick up points so one no murumo to call in time you tell us in time let's say one nangu orukumbanyangu oyine let's say nka festive season n'abantu makuzwara suits emishanana byo nebyo byogeza kimwe nkito tuzogeza kimwe so one mangu let's say nonda kuzwara coat yawe birabyo na bitanu direct a few days days earlier prior let's say like 2 days to handle ingo murumungu wawe in time twendorete mu birabyo na bitanu akasheshe kwenda kuzwara suit shamu kago
ashahina
niyo cyo nono kireba and the other thing we have enough manpower I can assure you we have enough manpower I can assure you about that so trust us uno wakwija offices yitu nshangwa former signature yabirere between former signature then next initiative kwita BD pharmaceuticals opposite na Independence Park yes a high street not kushanga nubo wakwija no yerebera we have enough space to dry your clothing your curtains your blankets mattresses byonebi akubyandika dukomera umbwire in a short time
kana byana leta suti yanje ibandetire ku South Africa umwana yadirabye aho kwitinama nyaho yatwerera ngo
ateje nje nani kugambire cyo nagambire hina bashija bine masuit gaho ngo ga South Africa
yes custom made for them expensive things man
because we have testimony nkabambara university bakatutrustinga batwereza gahunze zaba chancellors zo kuzwara za manezo tukazikora kurungi so we use modern machines nicho takora kujya tukoreza za pasi za burijo twine machines ezikoreje merumo so you have to trust us takarete koti yawe kajya tukanda mukajigorora kubi yasya yakora ki we have enough manpower we have professionals to handle everything
let's talk about the tours wajangu wakubwire buturumo nubwire bukurambura no hiri abantu bakunda kutambura spend time
with their families
wild kokwe tours nizikora zita
twine kitweta nyonyozi travels nyonyozi travels twine emotoka zikutwara abantu twine motoka empango na ninki twine za drone ezikuzo trips different trips then tukarika twine na motoka empango let's say lorries ninyenda kufuruka ndiyo nindigo muri mbara nari ninzo mu Christmas nyenda kujana n'ibintu byanje in bulk byo n'ibintu bitwara ije motoka yo kureba neriyo motoka zitemwe eje ya Nyonyozi Travels so Nyonyozi Travels creating kitweta an ample an ample feeling y'abantu kutambura gi imotoka nogere wagire umuntu okweriyo no kweyombekere twendo zo motoka usibe no jote motoka na twiremo abantu banje bashashe umugongo
no there's not enough leg room
yo
nango shitame
orambikirizo weno already cause ekingumanya your staff they can be testimony to us tukabatwara hino abantu triple like Mburo so nyonyozi tutegeka trips tutwara abantu iwe ndiyo nyine family no tuterera Kampala ujyo tunyo ebrabri nabena nyira kuruga Kampala nkaza ushenyi
umbere wa Nairobi nyenda ntingwenda kutemba I don't even want to drive my own car nyenda ngunjende nanyembwe nushemeriro enjoy the road trip
uko wakireta na necho twine naba professional drivers no basakujo tiring ho ba drivers tukugire twine ba drivers utingwenda kuvuga muno yireje tukose drive professional driver akutware akuvuga then ani motoka zitu yo no joti nyondo bushenyi ninyenda kuzo muka trip kasese no hire marebero byanje bishatu iyo cyo nijo tugambira tonka tukora quotation tukora booking ya hotel aho kurarare I'll give you an example. We have hotels we are partnering in let's say in Fort Portal we have a hotel we are partnering in with in Kasese twina hotel tukoraragana nayo you just know tunyenda kurugaha nze ureke bunyonyi icyo nijo tugambira cyonga tukurondera imotoka tukubukingire rooms tukubukingire let's say akora atambure kona nuza kujyotana n'ikiro nyenda kurabara bamuntere disco to booking buri kimwe kibe cyuye.
That's wonderful.
That's Nyonyozi Travels. So we have different areas. Let's say in Kamwenje we are partnering with Kibale National Park. Wajyo nyenda kuzo mu Kibale iyo no cyo nyenda kuganze Kamwenje mu Kibale
icyo kureba nyamisho
icyo niyo tugambira cyonga itemo tukatugitereza tugifuelinga tukurondera room okutambura mu Kibale mu National Park kiri aritu iyo kine cya kwatire then ito tukebiri tukugene ntuendeze na neza. Then
that sounds interesting. I think umuntu akubayineka because I know in the majority banje they have weddings. Honeymoon. Shaka umuntu ari stuck they want to plan something out there. So umuntu yabakirira that's
hina abantu nko kwagamba bine weddings. Wedding bridal cars. Twine kitweta bridal cars.
Nazomuzine.
Tokuhende kintu jamwe no cyero tugero tinyine motoka itano zikusha zitana ziti. Echo kiturekera. Ito zikuretera zikuvugaho kwenda hona. That's the magic about Nyonyozi Travels. Then in Kasese still one enda kora ka road trip kuza Kasese. We are partnering with Queen Elizabeth National Park. No tugambo tunyonye enda kuzo mu Queen Elizabeth. Tukubookingira buri kimwe mu Queen Elizabeth zamwe a safari road yeze zone. Tuzihandling. You will just togenda bugenda. Then ikindi kitwasa kora twine kitweta air ticketing. Let's say no enda kuza heru. Tutera tujyo tunyenda kuza Dubai ka holiday kanje akanyenda kamara Dubai
ikintu cya ticket gimushinkwasaganye
tukubukingira ticket enyonyi buri kimwe iyo no
naenda muvuga muntu arayo
airport tukuvuga mpaka airport tukugambira shayi ibiri enyonyi neza kuba niyo kunesimbura mpaka Dubai.
Wow, this is all interesting stuff. Ebinibisha fear kwigarachi because this all sounds so good.
Definitely fit kashana fite kashana kirigire cyo kubanoza
kunkane henda ngate kwenda because that's what
we are too flexible nje nakugira this Christmas season twine discounts discounts akoze emyenda curtains okusimura amajro cleaning byona twine discounts this Christmas season.
All right tugenda twendera you parting shot tukumariza
parting shot ngoko tugenda tumariza ngoko wakigamba icyamani ahamandi nza kuba tubatarengani mu TV West na Acacia for Christmas carols. So abantu mwena abareba TV West ahamande mwena bisho mugateka TV West tukubeshongora Christmas carols naza nanyenza kweshongora.
Buri yose ave kwaya.
Niyo bobs. So niyo bobs. Wete go kweshongora nitwe. Armand.
Yes. Enamba zesimu kutwa kubatunga.
Enamba zesimu twine nambere ukora WhatsApp kandi ekagarika akakora direct calls.
All right.
Enamba 0763 017624.
Read that number again.
Umurunyankore ni 0 mushanju mukaga ishatu 0 mushanju mukaga ibiri ina.
All right, just say.
So ito tweta iyo tuteresum no wakoyine ibintu let sorry orari ntuyevugire motoka tuje tubyakira let's say nenkaza za carpets so ine mashuko ine za blanket ine cy'ibintu birinjo mu bulk let's say you have a hotel ngaba hotel niba bine bintu bingi uza kutujye utite burukasheshe ogumuje yakire ibintu bito biclean sikweta gisiyo kwisha you not tero tugambira location tujya tubyakira tugaruka delivering.
Okay, all right,
that's the magic about Nyonyozi. Dinambe nabahereza area WhatsApp niyo ya calls at the same time.
Honestly, gizi that's the
honest.
Watwara kuri bidonga. Zakureba na Hamande. Yo kushongoze base yawe na engineer nyina tubentu gondeka base. Yes, there you have it. So twinabanya bitu abanyonyozi dry and general cleaners.
Nyonyozi dry and general cleaners and Nyonyozi travels.
And Nyonyozi travels. Tenda kwasima kwa twise tambara nabo ahabwa Christmas carols twine ahamane tubeta mwena on Monday. Come and we have fun together. I mean, celebrate the season, yeah, and of course Jesus is the reason for the season. Mukutukira gamba tusakwa turi akasha shaha munana ntubeta mwije tubase kwanshemererwa. Thank you so much Anis na naba Nyonyozi mwena mwebare. Thank you so much staff of Nyonyozi mwebare kurumurunji munonga kogo, and we are open to many more partnerships. Mukama batulindire. We'll be right back. Do stay with us. Good morning.